Hi friends, welcome to my video. Today our topic is mutations. So mutations are sudden changes in genotype involving qualitative or quantitative sequence in the DNA. So mutations are caused independently in the population or environment and in heritable also. So term mutation coined by or introduced by Hugo de Vries, and he described the mutations in a plant that is Enothera lamarckiana. The common name is evening primrose. But the first scientific study of mutation was started by T.H. Morgan in 1910 on fruit fly. The scientific name of fruit fly is Drosophila melanogaster. So mutations are majorly two types. They are chromosome mutations and gene mutation. Today we discuss about chromosome mutations. So chromosomal mutations. Chromosome mutations nothing but the changes in the chromosome and number of the chromosome is called chromosomal mutations. These are permanent changing. So there are also two types. Chromosome mutations are based on two types. These are the one structurally, second one numerically. Structural chromosomes and second one numerical chromosomes. Numerical chromosomes. So friends, the structural chromosomes also called as structural chromosomal aberration or changes structurally in chromosomes. So here numerical chromosomes are numerical chromosomal aberration. So structural chromosomes are, these are the again two types. Changes, structural changes in the number of genes. At the same time, here changes in the arrangement of genes. Changes in the arrangement of genes. So friends, the changes in the number of genes, changes in the arrangement of genes. These two, genetic material, in the amount of genetic material can change here. But here the arrangement of genes, there is no change. It means it remains. The genetic material also remain. So change in the number of genes, these are two types. One is deletion, second one duplication. These are also two types. One is inversion, second one is translocation. So friends, deletion, duplication, inversion, translocation. These are the majorly structural chromosomes. These are two types. So first one, deletion. We know that deletion means nothing but delete or deficiency. Deletion also called as deficiency. The deletion, it means loss. The segment of chromosome is lost. That is called loss of a portion or segment in the chromosome, that is called deletion. So duplication means addition, inversion means rotation, translocation means shifting. So first one, deletion, it is also two types. That is, one is terminal, second one intercalary. Terminal deletion and intercalary. So terminal deletion, for example, it is a chromosome. It is a chromosome. The segments are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are the segments or genes of the chromosome. This chromosome deleted terminal and intercalary. For example, this type, same chromosome A, B, C, D, E, F. So there is no GH. GH deleted. That's why it is called terminal deletion. At the same time, while A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, for example, this is the chromosome on the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. You may, these are the, it means between. While between the cutout inside, that is called intercalary or interstitial deletion, that is called a deletion. So the deletion is very common, and this was given by in tomatoes, especially bridges, Drosophila. So deletion in the human beings, there is a deletion of chromosome number 5. The results may be Cri-du-Chat syndrome. Means Cri-du-Chat syndrome means that is called a cry. A children cry as cat. That is the syndrome is mentally retarded. It is discovered by Lejeune. The scientist is 1963. This is a Cri-du-Chat. It means mentally retarded. The autosome at number 5. So they are the deletion. Next, duplication. So duplication means nothing but addition. Same example, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are the segments. This is the chromosome. Duplication, nothing but addition. In a chromosome, the multiplies, the segments are always increasing or extra segments. So duplication here, 4 types. One is tandem. Second one, reverse tandem. Third one, displace. Fourth one, transpose. So these are the majorly 4 types: duplication, tandem duplication, reverse tandem duplication, display tandem duplication, and transpose duplication. First of all, tandem duplication. So tandem duplication means nothing but, for example, now we explain the terminal deletion in the same position. This is a chromosome. These are the segments A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H segments. So we discuss about this tandem duplication. So tandem duplication, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are there. So it is repeatedly coming. The segments are after coming repeatedly in the same chromosome. That is A, B, C, D, E, C, D, E, F, G, H. This is the friends. These are normal chromosome segments. Here extra. Already CD there. Again CD. This is called tandem duplication. Why? Because same chromosome repeated. It means segment A, B, C, D, E. Again C, D, E, F, G, H. So which is the extra here? C, D, E is the extra. That type of duplication is called tandem duplication. Next one, reverse tandem duplication. So friends, reverse tandem duplication nothing but we observe tandem. Same extra segments coming, but that is the order of reverse or opposite. For example, this only. Just to change A, B, C, D, E. Next E, D, C, F, G, H come. So what happened here? In the tandem duplication, C, D, E. Just here change. E this side, C that side. That's why EDC. That is called reverse tandem. Next third one, displaced duplication. So displaced duplication nothing but a portion or a segment of the chromosome is away from the outside in the same arm. For example, displaced either homobranchial or heterobranchial. These are in the meiosis. During the meiosis, the displaced duplication in the form of a loop. That is, I will say here only A, B, C, D. These are the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are the segments. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. They are segments. In that centromere will be. The centromere, for example, this is the centromere. So centromere, after that, this same chromosome, homobranchial or heterobranchial. Homobranchial means below the, for example, A, B, C, D, same C, D, E, again C, D, E, then F, G, H. So here friends, which is the here duplication? C, D is the duplication. A, B, C, D and C, D, E, centromere, F, G, H, these are the segments. So here which is repeated? C, D is the repeated in the same arm. That type of is called homobranchial displaced translocate, duplication. At the same time, second one, this is the one type, again one type. Which one? Homobranchial and heterobranchial. Homobranchial CDE at the same time A, B, C, D, E, F, centromere, again CDE. G, H is common. So what happened? Here before the centromere CDE, here after the centromere CDE. So it is called homobranchial duplication. This is heterobranchial duplication. Last one, transport duplication. Transport duplication nothing but it is a completely shifting or transfer of the segment into the chromosome. So example, two chromosomes are there, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. It represents L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. We will write here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H represents, that is L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. It is the attached. How attached? L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, it is also two types. One is terminal, other one is interstitial. Terminal means D, E, F, R, C, D, E, R, B, C, D. You may take any one, no problem. So I will take here D, E, F. D, E, F, it will add in outside. For example, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. And here D, E, F. So this is called last there. It means terminal transport duplication. At the same time, D, E, F in between. It means L, M, N. Next D, E, F. Afterwards O, P, Q, R, S, T. So it is a in between. That's it is called interstitial or intercalary transport duplication. These are the complete duplication. Next I will explain the changes in the arrangement of genes. The changes in the arrangement of genes are here simply one change. Changes in the number of genes, only genetic material can change. Here genetic material remaining same. So inversion and translocation. Inversion is nothing but rotation of a group of chromosome in 180 degree within the chromosome. So here inversion again it is called two types, pericentric and paracentric. Pericentric and paracentric. Pericentric means nothing but it is a rotation in the form of includes a breakage, nothing but centromere. For example, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are it is a chromosome. In the chromosome, this is called centromere. It is called centromere. Completely, it is a chromosome. It is called centromere. Includes centromere, that is called pericentric. Does not include centromere, that is called paracentric. For example, A, B, C, D is there. That's why it is centromere. Here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So centromere along with this breakage. This side chromosome and this the chromosomes are in between centromere there. That is include the centromere, that is called pericentric. Sometimes this is the without includes. It means non-centromere. That is simply out. There is no centromere. That is called paracentric. This one first and this one second. That is called inversion. Generally inversion there is no gain or no loss. Inversion, no loss, no bit type. Here no, there is no loss and no gain. Inversion prevents the crossing over and produces the speciation and also in DNA structure also. So next to translocation. The translocation nothing but shifting and transfer of the segment in a chromosome. For example, the translocation, it is also three types. Translocation three types. One is very simple. Simple translocation. Second one, simple translocation. Third one, reciprocal translocation. See here, friend. Very simple. Simple translocation means a segment or portion of a chromosome. It attaches any side. For example, this is a chromosome A, B, C there. Anyone, this side or this side. That is called simple transfer. That is called simple. Second one, shifting. It is shifting in between same chromosome interstitially or in between. Shifting, that is called shift to translocation. The third one, reciprocal translocation. It is very interchange. For example, the two non-homologous chromosomes, they are changing. For example, here A, B, C, D, E, F. At the same time, P, Q, R, S, T. These are the chromosomes. Exchange. For example, sometimes A, B, C, it will go this side, and P, Q are coming this side. It means exchanging. That is called reciprocal or balanced translocation. So it is a completely structural chromosomes. Next I will explain.
Right.
So now numerical chromosomal aberration. After structural chromosomes, next one numerical chromosomal aberration. We also call numerical chromosomes simply. These are also two types. One is euploidy, second one aneuploidy. Euploidy. Generally, ploidy means refers to the has more than chromosomes, more and more sets of chromosomes. So euploidy, first in a gametic level, the constituent of small set of chromosome called genome. The genome has sometimes in monoploidy, sometimes in diploidy, sometimes haploidy, so many are there. So euploidy, U means original or true, ploidy means unique. So euploidy is also three types. Monoploidy, diploidy and polyploidy. Monoploidy, diploidy and polyploidy. Monoploidy, mono means single. It also called as haploidy. Haploidy. It means it indicates small n. It indicates 2n. So monoploidy, it is a monoploidy is a condition. Monoploids is a organism. So monoploids having more sets of chromosome, that is called monoploid. Generally, it is a barley a set of chromosomes 7 and maize a set of chromosomes 10. But monoploidy very rare in animals. Haploidy means nothing but it is a commonly it loss of genome. For example, human beings chromosome XX and XY. So one set of genome is called haploidy. Generally, the haploidy in presence the honeybees, wasps and rotifers. That's why these haploidy reproduce by the parthenogenesis, that honeybees and wasps and rotifers. That type of chromosomes has haploid. It means single. 2n then means double. Single means only haploid. Next, diploidy. Human beings have chromosomes 46. Out of 46, 44 are autosomes, 2 are sex chromosomes. In that sex chromosomes, females XX and male XY. So here, one chromosome from the mother and one chromosome from the father. So in that chromosomes, one genome set is called haploid. So when the fusion of two gametes, the result of the gametes is called fertilization. So fertilization become result of the zygote. So that zygote is a diploidy level. Next, third one, polyploidy. Poly means many. Ploidy means unit. So many chromosomes sets are there. So polyploidy, for example, it is sometimes 3n, sometimes 4n, 5n and 6n. It means tetraploidy, triploidy, tetraploidy, pentaploidy, hexaploidy and so on. So how many n's are there? That's why polyploidy it will increase and increase. So polyploidy generally 3 types. Basically these are the primary polyploid and the secondary, general 2. So polyploidy generally it is arising from the double. For example, primary polyploidy means 2n double called it is 4n. So 2n is called a double. It is called primary polyploidy. Secondary polyploidy after arising different ploidy level. So 4n become plus into 2n gives to 3n. So it is called secondary polyploidy. It is called primary polyploidy. But polyploidy also classified as 3 types. They are autopolyploidy, second one allopolyploidy, and third one allo-polyploidy. So auto means we know that same or self. Allo means difference or other. Allo means joined together. So autopolyploidy or simply autoploidy. Here the diploid organisms have so many sets of chromosomes in the same homologous level. So sets of chromosomes are homologous. That's are ABC, ABC, ABC and ABC. These are the chromosomes set same level homologous in the autoploidy. Especially this type of autoploidy in the alpha or Asian calves are best example for autopolyploidy. Next one, allopolyploidy. Allo means many. So this is here when the chromosome sex is different, it means heterozygote type. That is called ABC same level. ABC, ABC and ABC. But here like this heterozygous. This is only homologous ABC, 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 ABC. This is homologous. No need occur newly. But here new species are formed. That's why ABC, ABC. Again here bar type A bar, B bar, C bar and A bar, B bar, C bar. These are the heterozygote type. It is especially example in the wheat and coffee plants. This is the especially in the alpha and Asian calf. Last finally autopolyploidy, allopolyploidy. It is very different. Why? Because both are 2 times there. Sometimes autopolyploidy and sometimes allopolyploidy. So here very dissimilar in the polyploids. These are completely euploidy. Let me explain aneuploidy. Aneuploidy means nothing but changes in the parts of chromosomes decreasing or increasing level. That is called aneuploidy. Anu means uneven, just opposite of euploidy. These are original and unit, uneven and unit. Aneuploidy also here 2 types. That is called hypoploidy and second one hyperploidy. Hyperploidy. So friends, hypo means less, hyper means more. Simply decrease and increase. Aneuploidy is due to decrease of one or more chromosome. That is called hypoploidy. At the same time, hyperploidy, aneuploidy is due to increase. Here decrease, here increase. Increase of sex chromosome one or more. That is called hyperploidy. So hyperploidy is again three types: monosomy, double monosomy, and nullisomy. Friends, here what is the meaning of hypo? Less, it means loss or decrease. So decrease the aneuploidy level, one or more chromosomes. Here monosomy means single. It has the double organisms, which are diploid organisms having most important, that is loss of a chromosome. Simply loss of. For example, monosomy indicates or represents 2n minus 1. So normal chromosomes 2n, that's why it is one chromosome is less. So one chromosome less means generally human being chromosomes having 46. In that 46 chromosome, one is minus, so 45 chromosomes. In human beings, when 46 chromosome less 1 or minus 1, that is called 45 chromosome. It indicates a disease. The disease name is Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome causes monosomy. This Turner syndrome generally it has one X chromosome. While a sperm and X chromosome fusion, that's why, for example, 44 autosomes plus X and 0. So 0 is there. It means look like sterile type. So this type of situation or syndrome is called Turner syndrome. Why? Because it has no 46, one is less. That's why 2n minus 1, just 45 chromosomes. Body is very mental deficiency or loose body, muscles loose, and short stature. All type of characters are Turner syndrome. Next, double monosomy. It is very simple. Double monosomy means 2n one side minus and second side minus. Simply that is called double monosomy. It is a diploid organisms. When chromosomes are increases or decreases, it means here completely decrease. Hypo means decrease. Especially it is look like, example is wheat. Example is wheat. Next, nullisomy. Nullisomy means here normal chromosomes minus 2. Hypo means decrease. That's why nullisomy. A chromosome sets of pair loss. That is called nullisomy. When a chromosomes, normal chromosome 46, that time it is minus 2 chromosomes. Deleted or loss of 2 chromosomes, that situation is called nullisomy. This nullisomy is generally non-homologous chromosomes, it will occur. A, B and A, like that. Next, hyperploidy. Hypo means decrease, hyper means increase. Hyperploidy means aneuploidy due to increase one or more chromosome, that is called hyperploidy. So hyperploidy also, these are some types, 2 or 3 types are there. I will explain. First, trisomy, double trisomy, tetrasomy. So here simply trisomy, double trisomy, tetrasomy, pentasomy, hexasomy as usual 2n, here 2n plus 1, here 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1 plus 1. At the same time here double monosomy type, double trisomy here 2n plus 1 plus 1, here 2n plus 2. If pentasomy, hexasomy, like that, so on, we can use. First of all, trisomy. So trisomy means in a human being, normal chromosomes are 46. So in that, diploid organisms having 46 chromosomes, here adding the chromosomes. It means 46 chromosomes adding any one chromosome. It is 2 types. Trisomy is 2 types. Generally chromosomes, autosomes and sex chromosomes. Based on this chromosome, trisomy 2 types. One is trisomy of autosomes. Trisomy of autosome. For example, out of 46 chromosome, in the place of 21st autosome added by one chromosome. So that is extra chromosome. It means 47 chromosomes. Which are 47? 44 and 45 and XX. So this type of situation look like a Down syndrome. Down syndrome. Why? Because John Langland Down described this situation. That is why it's called Down syndrome in 1866. So here some characters are down. It means affected by the body. Characterized sterile, all type of trisomy autosomes will mental disorders, deficiency, all type of will come. Trisomy. Next one, trisomy of sex chromosome. Trisomy is also called as trisomy 21. Why? Because addition of autosome at the place of 21st autosome. That's why it's also called as trisomy 21. Next, trisomy of sex chromosome. Why? Because sex chromosome here, one is additional. XY there, that's why in the females, one X chromosome added extra. So that's why 44 autosomes plus XY. So here X chromosome is extra. So that's why here it is a Klinefelter syndrome. It causes Klinefelter syndrome. The Klinefelter syndrome is a male, sterile male. Why? Because testes are damaged or very loose, or body hair are very less, like the Klinefelter syndrome will come. So afterward, double trisomy and tetrasomy and so on it will come. So this is a completely numerical chromosome aberration only based on number of chromosomes. Thank you, one and all.